Daphne the dog is 3.8 meters away from you when she barks. What is the intensity of her bark? She generates 130 watts of power. So I'm going to go ahead and make my list here. I have the distance that she is. Let's call this R. Let's do capital R. It is 3.8 meters. Now I chose that because the sound wave is going to be in all directions, so I use the radius instead of just regular distance. We do know the power as well, which is 130 watts. Okay, and we are looking for I, the intensity. Our intensity equation is I is equal to P, the power, divided by 4 pi R squared. Now I'm going to put this in parentheses because that's truly just a number, and then all this in parentheses afterwards. So all this gets plugged in here, and I want to make sure I'm using the parentheses when I'm doing the problem. I get 130 on top divided by, let's double parenthesis everything, 4 pi. Oops, not 44, 4 pi. And then we're going to say 3.8 squared. Okay, now I'm going to put a parenthesis around that one again there. This is how I plug it right into my calculator. I'm going to say 130 divided by double parenthesis 4 pi 3.8 squared double parenthesis to end. Hit enter, and I get 0.716. Let's say 0.72. Our intensity is 0.72. And our units for intensity, they just come right from it. Power is watts divided by our distance, which is, well, in this case, the radius, meters squared. So that's the intensities, watts per meter squared.